this entire series started with the very popular KBC. Now we had an option again to go a safer way because it was going to be a Zoom show and we all know what Zoom events are like. But we said, that's not going to be fair. Let's start with something that's truly challenging. And KBC is genuinely a very challenging show to execute in the virtual space, especially when you have to work on budgets that are not sponsored by Star Plus, and you have to work in real time, where Amitabh Bachchan would be getting takes and the option to reshoot a certain segment. Our anchor would not get that chance. So we did a lot of rehearsals and then we went on floor. The KBC was a super hit. It landed us into close-up and Antakshari kind of a format. Then we did 2 weeks of celebration on Masterchef, where we had outstanding response. People were given boxes filled with ingredients. They had to cook live and send us videos, and they were judged on those bases. We then went into a crazy space of, those 1-minute games like Sab Khelo Sab Jeeto. And then we decided to take a little detour. From Zoom, we moved them into the Insta space. A first Insta event, I can proudly say, where we had a singer and he just, sung to truly mesmerize everyone. We took in some participants from the family to sing live, and then that brought us to halfway mark with the Pure Stock Exchange, where we actually had all the guests trading in shares, and we created companies and names of companies that were connected to things that the couple like. So at every point in time, we made sure we don't forget we're all together because 2 people are in love and 2 people want to get married. So we're here halfway through it and we have halfway more to go. But it's a very satisfying experience as a team, and I can only thank the client for trusting us, that every time we decide to experiment and do something different, they were there with us because of the faith that they showed in us, that we were able to really push ourselves. And I think the faith that they had in us, again, has to do with the sincerity that they would probably see in a team that's so focused to bring in that novelty factor with the precision and able to handle pressure of a live event with 80% dependency on technology. Now that is really what this space is, and I'm very proud that Swaha has done it before anyone else, and we are probably the first wedding planning company in India to take up the virtual space at the magnitude, the opulence and the complexity that no one else has been able to do. So 2020 is going to be a year that the wedding industry and we as a company are truly going to remember. I'm going to sign off now with just a little special message to everyone out there who wants to experiment but probably holds themselves back. Just remember this: don't think how, don't say no, and don't stop there. That is exactly the way you will be able to push the boundaries, go beyond, and get that sense of achievement that's only supposed to make you more humble and want you to get better and better at what you're already doing absolutely great.